Here I have TCL 205, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then go to the more modes, select QR code, and now we can scan it. So let's scan, for example, this one, and as you can see, as soon as my camera spots it, it shows me the page which has been encoded into this QR code, so you can open this link or rescan. So let's open it, and here you can see this page. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.